We both know that a lot of our customers come from a long ways away to pick up their trailer. I wanted to give those people an idea of what the process was when they came to pick up their trailer.
What you would simply do is you have your invoice ready and you go to the front desk, hand over your invoice. They'll call me up. While me and the customer are handling payment, we will have the tractor pull around the trailer, and once all the payment's done, we'll walk out to your trailer.
Then you're going to do a walk around, and you're going to help the customer hook up and answer any questions they have?
Oh yeah, we'll handle any questions and anything, basically showing how you take care of your trailer throughout the years.
Preventative maintenance kind of stuff.
Exactly.
Right, and how long does all this take?
Usually about 25-30 minutes.
That's not too bad. And what time of day should they show up? Do you have a recommendation for that?
Yes, earlier is always better.
Yeah.
For sure.